boAt Airdopes 141 True Wireless Earbuds with 42H Playtime, Beast trademark symbol mode, low latency up to 80 milliseconds, for gaming, ENX trademark symbol tech, ASUP trademark symbol charge, IWP trademark symbol, IPX4 water resistance, smooth touch controls, bold black. About this item. Playback. Enjoy an extended break on weekends with your favorite episodes on stream, virtue of a playback time of up to 42 hours including the 6 hours non-stop playtime for earbuds. Frequency 20 Hz 20 kHz. Low latency. Our Beast mode makes these true wireless earbuds a partner in entertainment with real-time audio and low latency experience. Clear voice calls. It dawns built-in mic on each earbud along with our ENX environmental noise cancellation tech that ensures a smooth delivery of your voice via voice calls. boAt signature sound. Delve into your cherished boAt immersive auditory time with Airdopes 141. ASUP Charge. The earbuds are equipped with our ASUP Charge feature that offers up to 75 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of charge, while the carry case comes along with the Type-C interface. Instant Connect. Connect your morning playlists without any hiccup via the Insta Wake and Pair technology that powers on these true wireless earbuds as soon as you open the case cover. IP rating. The earbud's body comes protected with IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistance. Voice Assistant. You can summon your default voice assistants with ease via its one-touch voice assistant. 1-year warranty from the date of purchase.